How to create a group chat in Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat in Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Messenger application, let's first visit the App Store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store. Once you have opened it, just click on the search bar and type in Messenger. Tap on Messenger. So what we're going to do here is to check if our Messenger application is up to date. For example, on my page, it says it shows an update button. That means that my Messenger application is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button over here so that we will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to create a new group chat in Messenger. However, if it says open over here, that means that your Messenger is currently updated and you're good to go. Assuming that I am now done updating my Messenger app, let's just head on and open Messenger right here. And to create a new group chat, let's just click on this compose button at the top right corner. Make sure that you are at the chats page. If you are from any other page, just click on this chats icon at the bottom left hand corner and click on the compose button at the top right corner. And to create a new group, just click on this option that says create a new group, and you should be able to select multiple people from here. You should see a list of your friends from on this page. We'll just tap on this little circle right beside their names, and that they should be the ones included in your group chat. You can also type in a group name right here and just click on create right on the top right corner so that it will be created and you have successfully created a group chat in Messenger. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.